If you've ever thought, I wish I could launch my own AI app or SaaS, but I can't code, stay with me. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how AIBizly lets complete beginners build real AI-powered apps and websites and turn them into income-generating digital assets without touching a single line of code. And if you decide to grab it through the link below, I've stacked a huge package of premium marketing bonuses on top to help you actually get traffic, leads, and sales from what you build. Here's my quick, honest verdict. AIBizly is not push a button, money comes out. It is a step-by-step training program that shows you how to use AI to build web apps, websites, and tools people will actually pay for. Where it stands out is, it's built for non-techies, it focuses on real projects, not theory, and it includes 2 full apps with source code and resale rights. If you're willing to follow the videos and actually build, it's a strong offer. If you want magic money with zero effort, this is not for you. So what exactly is AIBizly? AIBizly is an AI business training course that shows you how to turn your ideas into AI-powered web apps, SaaS tools, and professional websites without coding. You're essentially learning a repeatable process. How to describe your idea in a way AI can understand, how to let AI generate the code and structure, how to polish, deploy, and monetize the app, and beginners who have never written a line of code, marketers and affiliate marketers who want their own software products, agency owners or freelancers who want to build and sell websites or tools to clients, and anyone who wants to ride the AI wave without becoming a developer. The big objection it solves is, I don't know how to code, and building apps takes months and thousands of dollars. In the training, you see real apps being built in days, sometimes hours. There are modules on getting set up and understanding the tools, building your first full app from scratch, building real business websites, creating more AI-powered apps like task managers, content tools, and fun viral tools, and then how to actually sell what you create and get clients. You're not just watching slides, you're watching over-the-shoulder builds of real apps and real websites. Now, let me walk you through how this works once you are inside. Imagine we're on the AIBizly members dashboard. At the top, you'll see the main modules laid out in order. Module 1 is Getting Started. In these videos, you get a clear overview of the types of projects you can build, how the AI tools fit together, and how to set up your accounts and API keys. If you're brand new, this is where you follow along slowly and set the foundation. Module 2 is where things get practical fast. This is your first app. Here, you watch a full build of a link cloaker app from start to finish. You'll see how to prompt the AI to generate the base code, customize and edit that app, plug in email functionality, add an admin area and login system, and then publish it online so it's live and usable. By the end of this module, you have a real usable app that you could sell or use in your own business. Module 3 is all about building websites. You'll see complete builds for real-world businesses like a power washing company and a gem mining business. You see what makes a solid business website, how to structure the pages, and how to get it live in minutes instead of wrestling with traditional hosting and complex setups. Module 4 is called More Apps. This is where the fun variety comes in. You'll see different kinds of apps being built, a task manager, Roastbot-style fun app, Facebook content tools, and more. This grows your skill set so you can apply the same framework to almost any idea. Module 5 is Bonuses. This is where you get access to the 2 big included apps. AI Niche Finder, a tool that uses AI to help you uncover profitable web app, niches, and markets. Great if your first problem is, I don't know what to build. AI Flamebot, a viral roast generator app that has already proven it can get attention and engagement. You get full source code and resale rights so you can rebrand, customize, and sell these as your own. Module 6 covers what's next. This part is about selling and scaling, how to find clients, how to package what you build, and how to use what you've created as real offers, not just side projects. You also get access to a private community, so you can see real student projects, ask questions, and get inspiration from what others are building. Now, a quick word about upgrades and OTOs. Because this is on Warrior Plus, you'll usually see some optional upgrades after the main purchase. Pricing and exact details can change, so always check the funnel page, but typically you'll see things like additional advanced training or case studies, extra templates or done-for-you assets, higher level rights such as agency or reseller options. My general rule is simple. If an upgrade helps you move faster or gives you resale rights to more assets, it can be worth it. If it feels like nice to have but you're on a tight budget, you can start with the main course and upgrade later if it's still available. The core AIBizly training and the 2 included apps are enough to get you building and launching.
What if I told you that you could build and sell professional web-based apps and websites like these using AI without writing a single line of code and start making money in as little as 48 hours? Hey, it's Chris Derenberger from Darkcore AI, and I'm about to show you something that's going to completely change how you think about making money online. You see, while everyone else is using AI to write blog posts and create content, smart entrepreneurs are using AI to build entire applications and websites that people will actually pay for. And I'm not talking about theory here. I'm talking about real functional apps that solve real problems. Here's the thing. You've probably seen the AI hype. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, AI tools, automation, but nobody's showing you how to turn that into actual income. Sure, you can use AI to write faster or create images, but what if you could use AI to build products, to create assets that generate revenue? That's what separates the people who dabble with AI from the people who profit from it. That's exactly why I created AIBizly. AIBizly is the complete system for building and monetizing AI applications without needing to know how to code, without hiring expensive developers, and without spending months learning technical skills. And here's the best part. I'm not some coding genius. I'm a marketer who figured out how to leverage AI to build things that people will pay for. Here's how it works. Inside AI, you get the complete step-by-step system. I take you from the very beginning of setting up your account, showing you around in the AI platform, and even step-by-step demonstrations of building out complete web-based apps and websites. Now, some of you may be thinking, but Chris, I don't know how to code. Oh, perfect, that's the point. AI does the coding for you. You just need to know how to direct it. Well, don't I need expensive tools or software? The costs are minimal. You can build simple apps for as little as $2 to $3. More complex applications can cost less than $100 to create. Compare that to hiring a developer for $10,000 or more dollars and weeks or even months of waiting. But once I build these apps, how do I get them online? Simple. Every app is hosted on professional cloud infrastructure backed by Google Cloud Platform. One click and your app goes live with its own URL. No server setup, no technical headaches, just online, secure, and ready for clients. And you own the code. Export it, move it to any hosting provider you want, total flexibility. But can I really make money with this? Look, I'm not going to promise you'll make $10,000 your first week. This requires some work. But if you're willing to learn the system and put in the effort, absolutely. People are paying good money for custom AI solutions right now. And here's the reality. AI is the biggest opportunity we've seen in years, but it won't stay this way forever. Right now, we're in the early days, the Wild West phase where people take action to dominate. In 6 months, a year, everyone will be doing this. The people who win are the ones who start now. If you're ready to stop playing around with AI content tools and start building real applications that generate real income, click the button below to get instant access to AIBizly right now. Your future self will thank you.
Now, let's talk about the exclusive bonus stack you get only through the link below this video. These are hand-picked tools to help you get more traffic, build your list faster, and convert more of your visitors into buyers. I'll quickly walk through 10 of them. Bonus 1. WP Swift Page Plugin. A WordPress plugin that speeds up your site and helps reduce bounce rate. Faster pages mean happier visitors and better conversions. Bonus 2. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows with images and videos to showcase your apps, testimonials, or offers in a more engaging way. Bonus 3. Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your autoresponder so leads from your campaigns are automatically added to your list. Bonus 4. WP Email Timer Plus. Add beautiful countdown timers inside your emails and on your pages to create real urgency and get more people to act before your deadlines. Bonus 5. Power List Pro. Turn your blog or website into a list-building machine with smart pop-ups and entry or exit intent triggers. Bonus 6. Tubelytics. An all-in-one YouTube stats and analytics tool to track performance and plan better video content to drive more traffic to your apps and offers. Bonus 7. Social Ultima. A powerful social media marketing tool to help you push your content and your new AI apps across multiple platforms and pull in free traffic. Bonus 8. Client Extractor. A simple way to pull local business data from Google Maps so you can reach out and offer websites or AI tools built with AIBizly as services. Bonus 9. Video Hub. Start your own video membership or subscription platform where you can host tutorials, behind-the-scenes training, or a paid content library. And bonus 10. 10K ClickFunnels Case Study. A real-world case study showing how a 10K commission campaign was put together so you can understand how traffic, funnels, and offers work together in practice. And that's just a sample. When you purchase AIBizly through the link below, you'll get these bonuses and many more inside your bonus area. This stack is designed to complement AIBizly. You build apps and sites with the course, then use these tools to drive traffic, build lists, and maximize sales. So, final verdict. AIBizly is a solid choice if you want to actually build something with AI instead of just generating random content all day. You're learning how to turn ideas into working apps and websites, use AI as your developer, and then package those creations into offers you can sell, rent, or use for clients. If you're looking for a way to build digital assets without coding, this is a very practical way to do it. Now, the important part. My bonus bundle is not going to be available forever. To keep this fair and manageable, I'm limiting these bonuses to a small group of buyers. Once either the timer on the page hits 0 or the bonus spots are filled, the bonus page will be taken down or replaced. So, if you like what you're seeing, click the link below this video. Check that you see my bonus page before you purchase. Grab AIBizly while it's still live. After purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus purchase history under the bonuses section. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure you hit like so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, traffic strategies, and software breakdowns. If you have questions about AIBizly or about the bonus bundle, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to clarify. To get instant access to AIBizly plus all the exclusive bonuses I just showed you, click the link in the description or the top pinned comment, pick up your copy, and then check your Warrior Plus account for the bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside the members area.